Hello all of you. Just a second. Live is all going. So here are some super duper announcements and a gift from me to all of you. There's a lot of confusion about the live classes I've started in YouTube last 2 days. Ma'am, is it going to be all classes in YouTube or app? So here, to clear all the confusion, direct taxation fast track batch is started live in YouTube 11 o'clock to 1:30 every day. And for that, a gift from me to you is my DT Sarathi compiler. The PDF of same is already sent in Telegram to all of you. So in Telegram, you can check that PDF, take a printout of the PDF, then only. Here is my compiler. My Sarathi compiler is here. So like this, you also take a printout. In that, all concepts are there, concept related questions are there. Then good concepts and questions from the past exams, RTP, MTP, all is covered in 317 pages. For sure, it's going to be very helpful for the exam. So if you want to order in hard copy, you can do it in app, but I would suggest to join the Telegram, take a printout of that PDF and attend the classes live from tomorrow. All the DT classes are going to be live in YouTube. I'll give you exactly the weightage of the topic. Like today we did residential status. For 1.5 hours I was teaching residential status of individual, which is very, very important. Okay, and how the income is going to be taxable. So weightage you will get, presentation you will get, how to read the question paper, the right mindset for the exam, all booster notes, chapter wise exam I'll be taking. For all the students who are doing the classes live, there will be chapter wise exam and question paper will be sent, suggested answer will be sent, all the support. For doubt clearing, other than live classes in YouTube, we will have Zoom sessions also. So are you in for this DT Sarathi batch? Then comment below the video, join the Telegram, take a printout PDF and make the best of use. One request to all of you, attend the classes live. So many of you have watched it yesterday afternoon and evening. I know you have your schedule. 11 to 1:30 you are doing with me. From the compiler, many problems as a practice, I will solve it in writing in class. Remaining which I give as homework, you can do it in 1.5 hours. So almost like say 4 hours are spent with me for DT. Other than this, early morning you can do your law. Afternoon you can do accounts. Ma'am, तो पूरा दिन पढ़ेंगे, पढ़ना ही है. March is the peak month, and if you are really sincere to clear your exam, just trust and join me for this DT live practice batch. But when you are doing live, that focus is different and the quality of your doubts, the questions what you are asking, I'll answer it immediately. Otherwise, you all are connected for all the doubt clearing in the Telegram. So hope I have cleared all your doubts. There was a lot of confusion. So this batch is completely free, DT Fast Track Batch in YouTube, and all the notes, booster notes. Last time also it was free Sarathi practice batch for November 23 attempt, but I had given question bank. Booster notes I made you write. This time what I am writing you have to write, but remaining all the notes, question, answers, all are there in the DT Sarathi compiler. PDF is already uploaded in the Telegram group. Right? Below the YouTube and anywhere else you will find the Telegram link. So join there. Is this helpful to you? This information what I have shared now? Trusting me and joining the DT Sarathi live practice batch is your decision. Once you are in, I will make sure I'll explain the concept thoroughly. I will make you learn. जो important concepts है ना, वो तो हम पढ़ लेंगे. Thank you so much for the instant response. I can see in the live chat with all of you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And the concepts which are very important, you will see in the 2.5 hours, I will only repeat 10 times. Today I have repeated residential status, basic condition so many times. I have made you write also. So what is important, I'll explain. What is very important, I'll make you learn. and promise me that as a Guru Dakshina for all these free material and free classes, you will attend chapter wise exam to get the right mindset. Okay, when everything is collected, how I'm going to write the exam. So many of you are so good at understanding. Yeah, YouTube channel is CA Deepti Chheda and Telegram link is there. I'll put it in my story or after completing the live, and Telegram link is also there in the YouTube top. Okay, right? So CA Deepti Chheda channel you join, you will get to see all the DT live classes for CA, CMA, CS Inter. I will take care of the IDT and custom also. That's a promise. Revision videos are already uploaded. Chapter wise revision videos, RTP for the May 24 is already uploaded. MTP for the May and the June exam, we'll be doing it. Okay. So Asmita and so many of you who are live with me, can I get a promise from all of you? Yes, ma'am, we will attend it live. I'm telling you, the whole, my hard work of these 2.5 hours, 25 classes, multiply karo, kitne ghante, and the energy level is different in the fast track batch because so much of all the concepts are to be compiled and given. So very high energy is required. So all that will go waste if you watch that recording at 1.5 speed. Yeah, so many of you are messaging me, ma'am, we have your this compiler. Is this more than enough? Self-study mat karo. You will struggle and take double the time. With compiler, if you watch the live videos, it's a promise, you will get the result. Any more suggestions? This is student suggestion, so I have said, ma'am, please add chapter wise exam. ठीक है, वो भी करेंगे. Ma'am, material के साथ क्वेश्चन बैंक के साथ बूस्टर नोट्स भी दो. ठीक है, वो भी दिया. If you get the result, then comment and say. With 2 decades of experience, I can say not 1% I'll leave chance from my side. And now it's your turn to say, I'm not a CA and CMA yet, but I'll do whatever it takes to achieve my goal. So if you are sincere and you take a decision, then leave it all to me. I will make sure that together we are bringing great results. All the best to all of you. Please spread this message to all your friends who are looking for these genuinely conceptually good classes. You can check any video in the YouTube and join. Tomorrow we are starting with house property. We will write booster notes जो important जो exam में याद रखना है ना. Ma'am, why do you make us write when everything is there in compiler? This is also one of the question. Then so many of you say, ma'am, I knew everything but I could not complete my paper in 3 hours. I could not just complete it in 3 hours. अगर मैं कर सकती ना तो I have got 58 marks out of 85 marks attempted. If I could have completed 100 marks paper, I would have got exemption. You know why? Because you know the concept super well. You are very hardworking. You are very smart working. Only lacking is writing practice. That's why few things, if I say likho, then write it. Trust me. And few problems which are important, like I know in house property, last 2 decades I've been teaching, I know कि ये important है, ऐसा repeatedly आता है, तो do it. This is good for MCQ, this is good for case study, this you just remember for once and leave. Today in residential status, after doing individual, I said business connection, don't leave completely. Just 5 exceptions are there, just read it once so that if it comes in MCQ and objectives, you can attend. So this is hard work, smart work, writing work, oral work, all together in DT Sarathi live batch. See you tomorrow at 11 o'clock with printout, with calculator, with water bottle, alert on a table, full screen. We are going to share beautiful knowledge and there is going to be a lot of fun. Just see from tomorrow a right mindset for the exam I'll build. That's a promise. All the best and thank you so much for being live with us here and sharing this recording with all your friends. Bye-bye.